Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on Euro GBP, which is our Euro GBP. So if you take a look at this, right, make sure you also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell icon if you are yet to click on it, if you have not clicked on it. So once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update, and without updates you can actually use to make your trading decision. So let's see on this our trend on Euro GBP. We are clearly on an uptrend move. This is it. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low. So that is it on our trend. If we take a look at this moment, here is our high. This is also the higher low. This is also our higher high. And here is our higher low. This here is also the higher high. Market is currently playing an higher low for us, which I still believe is still going to continue playing. Once we finish having that higher low, then we can now start having a new higher high. So that is what you should be expecting on Euro GBP, which is still a continuous movement. So if there's a little bit of a pullback up, another movement which will make it drop will happen. So if there's a little bit of a pullback, one more drop will play out. Once that one more drop plays out, then we can now start expecting that bullish move, which will happen. So once this bullish move wants to start playing out, I will give you guys the updates. I will let you guys to know. So that is why you need to click on the notification bell icon so you will get the updates instantly and you will not miss out on it.